Is 66 degrees out there, so nothing near our record warm high that we had yesterday of 80 before that rain moved in a little bit later in the afternoon. But look where our normal high is right now. We're in early November. It's just been kind of hard to remember that. So even though we're a lot cooler today, we are still 6 degrees above our average high right now. And I think we'll go up a couple more degrees this afternoon. I don't think we're going to go up too much more, but we'll kind of top out in the upper 60s and can't rule out a 70 here and there. But here's a look at live Doppler radar. So we had that record high of 80 degrees yesterday, and then that widespread rain moved in from the west, really settled in later in the afternoon, all the way through the evening, even into the overnight hours. We were talking at the beginning of the show. We even had some flash flood warnings in the Evansville metro area for a while overnight. So we had quite a bit of rain, recorded about 1.33 inches at the airport in Evansville. Most of that has really been diminishing this morning, and all we have left now way down here in the southeast corner of the tri-state, a little bit there in eastern Ohio County, and that's moving to the east. And I was just looking at some of our latest models, and they're really keeping us now pretty dry once this moves out for the rest of the afternoon. And I say afternoon because as we go through tonight, especially later tonight, it looks like we'll see kind of another wave of scattered showers come up from the south. In the meantime, we have dried out in Evansville, and really we've been pretty dry since early this morning. This is our view out on the west side, the USI campus, our Diamond Valley Federal Credit Union camera there, and quite a bit of traffic in and out of the university, but it seems to be doing just fine. Still have those mostly cloudy skies. Same story over in Owensboro, our Bill Morgan roofing and construction camera there from the Hampton Inn. And finally, looking west out of downtown Evansville, off the top of the Fifth Third Bank building, still mostly cloudy skies, and we'll keep a lot of clouds around for the most part, it looks like, especially from Evansville to the south and east this afternoon. So we're at 66, not much of a wind, 5 miles per hour, and that is a nice change, at least from the past couple of days, especially yesterday when those winds were over 30 miles per hour at times. Still a little on the muggy side, at least a noticeable dew point up to 61. Pretty uniform, though, now in the mid to upper 60s. So you can see 68 in Beaver Dam and Fordsville. That's about as warm as it gets right now. So again, generally the mid 60s, a few upper 60s already. Here's a look at Storm Tracker, and here's the rain that continues to gradually pull away to our south and east. But look, we have a little wedge of some clearing skies up here to our northwest. Let's go in a little tighter and kind of see where we are seeing more of those breaks in the clouds. You kind of have to get west of the Wabash, especially over southern Illinois, and as you head north of Interstate 64. So some sun there. This could try to work a little farther to the southeast as we go through the afternoon, and maybe we'll get a few peaks of sun into the Evansville metro area, but certainly more sun as you head northwest of Evansville, more clouds as you head down to the southeast. But here's an updated future tracker. Those rain chances in the southeast corner really kind of go away for this afternoon. We'll hopefully see at least a little sun, again, especially in the northern half of the tri-state. More clouds hang on down to the south. But then watch what happens as we go through tonight. Clouds and moisture increase from the south again. By 9 p.m., we've got a few spotty showers into our southern counties, and that chance for a few scattered showers continues to lift a little farther to the north, heading into the overnight hours. And Future Tracker develops even more of these scattered showers overnight and into early tomorrow morning. All the models are developing at least a few. This is one of the more aggressive models and kind of gets it up to about the Ohio River, maybe a little farther to the north, but along and south of the river going to be the best chance for picking up a little more rain later tonight and into our Thursday morning. But watch what happens during the day tomorrow. This is early in the morning. By noon, we really see that batch of scattered showers getting on out of here. And then I do think we're going to see a little more clearing come in from the northwest for tomorrow afternoon, giving us a pretty nice Thursday afternoon. And then we've got an even nicer Friday on the way. That's going to be our pick day, it looks like, of the next several days. We should get back to quite a bit of sunshine and just a few clouds mixing in on Friday, and highs in the upper 60s. That's going to feel pretty good when you factor in the sunshine. So here's a look at your forecast for today. Those scattered showers down to the south and east, they're finally going to come to an end. Again, more sun up to the northwest of Evansville, more clouds though hanging on from Evansville to the south and east. Highs are going to be in the upper 60s and maybe around 70 where we get a little more of that sunshine. Tonight, a few more scattered showers come up, and there'll be more of those, especially from the Ohio River to the south and east. And we're going to be a little cooler tonight, lows around 50 degrees. Tomorrow, we have some scattered showers to start the day, but they should be gone by afternoon. Little sun developing and a high of 64. There's our pick day for the next several, at least through the weekend. Lots of sunshine on Friday and a nice high in the upper 60s. And I say enjoy that because we do have some good rain chances now over the weekend. It looks like another more widespread shower event. Not real concerned about storms again, so that's good. But especially Saturday afternoon, peaking Saturday night into Sunday morning. Quite a bit of rain. Hopefully we'll dry out for at least the end of our Sunday. And then look, early next week, we've got Veterans Day on Monday, back to brighter skies, and we're not going to cool off. We're still going to be in the upper 60s. Just bad timing on the weekend.
All right. We'll be back. Merritt is here. We'll talk about diabetes awareness.